Hello viewers, I'm Ayaz Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel Elevate English Confidently with Ayaz. So my today's video is about the term transgressor. It has been used in many contexts, so that's why I will explain all of them. This is too much important, so that's why I'm explaining it about my today's video. So I will make also sentences about it. Let's start. Transgressor means someone who breaks a rule, law, or a boundary is called a transgressor. It could be used in different variety of context. The first usage of transgressor is legal. The legal usage of transgressor. Legal. A person who commits a crime is called a transgressor. The second way is ethical. Someone who violates moral principles is a transgressor. Third one is social. An individual who breaks societal norms is called a transgressor. Fourth, the usage of transgressor is personal. A person who betrays trust can be called a transgressor. Now, I will make sentences one by one about the four context of transgressor. The first sentence I want to make is the thief was caught by the police and will face challenges as a transgressor. It has been used in a sense of legal. Legal. So the second is the decision to lie to someone made him a transgressor in their eyes. So this has been included in ethical. The third one is the student who throw the class in a confusion is a transgressor. It is being represented in social. And the fourth one is when your actions will hurt someone is called a transgressor. So this has been included in a personal way. I'm hopeful that you have understood this concept. If you have understood this concept, and if you are a student who want to learn English and who want to build your personal development, your confidence, then tap on the subscribe button. Thank you so much, viewers.